I'm Jennifer Zehnder. I'm the PE teacher at Carter Traditional Elementary. Who has a basketball goal? Who has a basketball? Who has a soccer ball? So I had to just totally wipe my slate clean and say, okay, I'm not going to get any equipment and we're going to be creative.
All righty, guys. Hello, hello. How are we today?
I decided, wow, let's cook with Miss Zehnder.
The recipe that we're doing today is our tortillas.
It is a live cooking class with Miss Zehnder. We've made ants on a log, and you'd be amazed at how many kids have no idea what ants on a log are. We've made tortillas. We've made Parmesan tortillas. We've made dessert tortillas.
What was your favorite thing that you've made in Miss Cinder's class so far?
The tortilla chips, cheese and salt and pepper and cinnamon, the dessert ones.
For me, seeing a kid struggle and then seeing what a yoga class or a cooking class has brought out in them, it's really just been awesome to watch.
How many tablespoons would we need for a fourth of a cup?
She's incorporating like the math in the ingredients. It's not just cooking. She's really trying to find how they can continue to learn.
I stress to the kids that it is not a requirement that they cook with me. But there was such an overwhelming, Miss Z, I want to cook with you, send me what I need to get at the grocery store. So that's kind of how it came about.
It's been more fun because we get to make food with our classmates and with Ms. Zehnder.
When I'm in the kitchen cooking and they're cooking alongside with me, I want them to know that this is a life skill that they can take and go as far as they want with it. They may even become a chef.
Levi, he's got his hat on just like I have my hat on.
Thank you. It's put some heart back in the house. And not just for our household, but for a lot of households in our school right now. It's just very proud of where we've been, and all due to something that Miss Zehnder threw out there, and it's really turned our kids around. It truly has.